Hello guys, you're welcome back to my channel, Naija News and Entertainment. I've got an interesting gist for you on the Ultimate Love 2020. Iyke in love with Theresa's career, not her as a person. So it was Friday and organizers of the Ultimate Love reality television show spiced up the show by bringing Onyinye, Iyke's ex-girlfriend, to the house, and his love for Theresa was brought into question as he found wanted throughout when the drama lasted. Iyke's true colors were shown. The guy failed to protect the girl he claims to love. He was busy laughing at all the bad things the ex was saying about Theresa. When Onyinye asked him why he loved Theresa, his response was that she is a doctor. Obviously, Theresa's career is what matters to him, not the love. Iyke never tried to stop the girl from badmouthing Theresa. The ex tried trashing Theresa, yet Iyke was laughing, from saying she wasn't the hottest to Theresa checking her backside to how she was hotter than Theresa when they were both together. Onyinye is fire. Iyke hasn't overcome her, mostly her soft skin. Iyke seems to be missing a lot and incomplete inside him. So the guy came to hustle and not to find love. And being a very young man, he knows what's going on in his head. Should he win? Let the game play. Guys, the Ultimate Love show is getting really serious right now as there's fire in the house. What do you think, guys? Stay tuned to this channel for more Ultimate Love updates. And please, if you're new viewer to this channel, please don't fail to subscribe to my channel and also hit on the bell icon to get new notification when a story drops. God bless you. Until next time.